I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your air filter. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. You'll need a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Once you have your tools ready, open the hood of your vehicle. The air filter housing is typically a large black box located near the engine, often on the passenger side. Take a moment to identify it before proceeding. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it. Most Nissan Pathfinders have 2 to 4 metal clips around the perimeter of the airbox. Unclip these fasteners by pulling them outwards. Some models might also have a few screws that need to be loosened with your screwdriver. Once all clips and screws are disengaged, carefully lift the top half of the airbox cover. This will reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. With the airbox open, you can now easily remove the old air filter. Simply lift it straight out of its compartment. Take a moment to inspect the airbox for any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated. You can wipe this clean with a cloth if needed. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and securely within the compartment, creating a tight seal. Finally, it's time to reassemble the airbox. Carefully lower the cover back into place, ensuring all edges align correctly. Re-engage all the metal clips and tighten any screws you loosened earlier. Double-check that everything is secure. Close your vehicle's hood and start the engine to ensure everything sounds normal. You've successfully replaced your air filter. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.